slide.
Practice ako kay Bibi.
Sabi na. Sabi na.
Sabi ko nga, ma-practice ako sa imo.
Wow, ra.
Puro man sabi, di pa na imo na ma-pirdi ka Bibi ah.
Pero rin ako sa pera kabisis. Pinaliktad lang kaso. Tayo na, yan na. Ano pa ba? Anong inaantay mo? Pasko. Nagkikulba na ako na. Ay, go. Kutub na oh.
Ibay si Bibi.
Wala na, mas seryoso na si Kuya Nono. Ayan guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magpatay ng Grandmaster 1.
Ala.
Ayan, ngayon, nandito tayo sa shipment. Joke lang. Hindi man ako nag-screen recording. Nag-screen recording ako pa nagwayag ako rang kay kukulba ako na ay kay Kuya Nuno. Gagi ba? Tigo kung ako tulos ni Kuya Nuno. Doon mo, first of all, madelikado tulos ako. Oh. Wow. Oh. Wow. 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 Nagdaw na kay slide. Bakit?
Rambut. Talaga sa mga pro kay siyempre.
Ay, kung masasabihon.
Karna ako napapatay mo. Oh my gosh.
Uy, wait lang. Nag-reload ako. Men, wait lang, men. Men, wait lang, men. Men. Okay, men. Uy. 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 Wow! Sabi na? Nandun ka daw. Nakastay lang ako dito kaya sa pista ko. Nagbabartisity man ako pas kay Holy Father. Uy, sabi na. Makulugon ka ha. Makulugon mo yung badil mo ha. Oh, sabi na. Makulugon ng badil. Gusto ko makuha na badil kaya papatayin na muna kita. I am sorry kung mamatay mo na ako. Scope. Oh. Tingnan ni Maronos. What the kupals? Yes, ang skin! Ang skin! Ang skin! Ay, ang skin lang palang hanap ko dito ah. Kaya man palang magayon ng snipe mo ah. Ganda ng snipe mo ah. May secret dito si Kuya Nono ah. Kasi di ako marang sa body ni Kuya Nono. Ay. Nono ito sabi dito, tackle your enemy. Wow, tackle enemy. What a tackle. What a tackle, what a kill arena. Oh, I see the enemy in there. Wow. Enemy in here. Wow, what are you doing? What are you doing in there? Huwag kang kakamping site. Ako lang ang pwede magcamping. Kasi nagkukulbaan ako mapirde. Okay. What are you doing, man? Okay. Negar. Oh, sabi na? Ang skin naman. Ay, atlaw na naman. Sabi na, atlaw. Wow. Uyain ka na. Uyain na si Kuya Nuno. Ay, tero. Oh! Naturog si Kuya Nuno. He sleep on time. He sleep on 7:30. What a sleeping time. He like oh, sabi na, no, he like ano ba? Nag-iistorya pa man pa, no? Pinatay man ako tulos ni Kuya, no. Hey, what are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? Uy. Daw nakaka-slide. Daw nakaka-slide ba? Daw nakaka-slide, pre. What's oh, sabi na, di ako nakaka-slide. Mine turn, joke lang. Mine turn. Oh, sabi na, di man ako ma-mine turn. Ano, nagsiseryoso na si Kuya Nono. Kaya, it's mine turn too. Sino, pero sep, tenong pero meron. Tum, 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 tum. Tum, 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 tum. Oh, what the? Agak seryoso na si Kuya Nuno, Kuya. Hey, yo, bro. What are you doing? Stop doing that, bro. That bad doing. That is bad doing. What are you doing? I am doing so good. Uy, huwag kang magre-reload. Nag-reload ang baril ko. I am stuck on the place. And I kill because my enemy is so very good. Uy, uy. He's over in there.
You hit my
Uy, ito, nag-scope.
so beautiful.
He's scooping on me. He's, he see me because I am handsome. Wow, I am handsome, bro. Who are you, bro?
Sino, perang score mo ka na?
Malakas o matibay yung si Kuya
Perang
Nuno.
score niya?
Ano, 8-8.
Sino laban?
Wala, napatay ko. Melee! Davido, sisi melee. Oh, I see something over here. Uy, ano ito? Where are you, bro? He's over in here. Bro. Oh, bro. Hello, bro.
Boy.
Oh! Judge mo na, kuya. Wow. What is that? That is a very good. Yeah, that's very good. Yeah. That is very good. Yeah. Wait, he over here. Wow. Oh, wow, what the heck? He's using Atlaw because she very learn it. Atlaw, man. Hang it on. Rolling on the top. Rolling on the top. Rolling on the top. Is so very beautiful because the locust is so very beautiful and he my wife. Kuyain ka na, nawawara ka na naman. Uy, he runs so very fast and I am so very so slow and I use my superpowers. Superpower shit. Uy, where's oh, hey, stop using that. Stop using that, bruh. Stop. Ito ko nag-ano puti ang screen ko. Nagpuputi ang screen ko tapos nawawara ka.
Sa perks.
Sa perks, di pa na daw ito ma. Irugong ko daw ito kay Kuya Nuno. Oh, where he go? Oh, sabi na daw. Bahulo ko, maybe na. Particular ML. Wow, ito siya na naman oh. Ano naman siya oh. Wow. Uy. Ito na naman siya oh. Ano naman yan to? Ay, pero mas itong dalagan. Oh, help. Help me now. Help me God. Oh wow. He over there. Oh, di ko pa naigo. Sin ka lang. I am fine. Kimsya na na.
Ano na? Pero Debbie ba? Piti ka?
Dire.
Ayaw nang burubag ko ba? Sa? May daog ka lang na baby.
I he like a broke. Whoa, 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 whoa. He stop doing that. Stop doing that. That's bad.
Ano inihimo ba? Aram na bad. Aram na bad inihimo ba?
Kaya he bad person. Oh, he bad guy. He kill me. Now, you kill by Axel Rose. Oh, sabi na. Baka kakaano ko pa lang dugod. Kakaano ko pa lang. Wow, camping site naman siya, oh, guys. Wow. Ituturing mo ba kung mga bok? You are the broke. Hoy, stop doing that. Wow. Sabi, ano naman daw yun, oh? Wow, uy. Uy. Wow. Stop use that. That's bad. Okay, guys. Wow. Pag-imod sa likodan. You see, you're outside because your backside is not safe. Eh! The backside is not safe. Mandan mo, matitigok na ko 1 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Because he's so very, so very, oh my god. Please don't kill me, bro. I am no. He killed me. I am good person. He did me kill and what the hell? What the hell is you choosing? Wow. Wow. Sabi na, nag-ingkod na naman. Di na naman nag-slide. He using the code. The code is 1.213. Oh. What is that? What is that, bro? That's the code of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Wow. He's so very likot. Ouch. You hurt? Go to the medical office and use your oh 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 wow what what
Hindi siya nagpapayag siya nakabawi.
what 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 is doing in the sniper?
Napagano magawa ng scope ko.
Maggamit ka ng basic of the topics of the ML. Pero sa ML di man ako magam kaya nuno kaya hindi lang ako mabawi. Dano ba ito nagamit ni Kuya Nuno scope? Gamiton ko man ito mura gun. Ay, ada ako. Uy, yan. Wow! It's very good. I like it. Kaya pag wala na ako bala, magamit ako pitsilyot. Oh, nag-leave na si Kuya Nuno. Okay. Just stop the recording.